Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change your language with Immersity AI. In order to do so, first off, if we go to app.immersity.ai and we log in, we should be met with a screen similar to this. If you go to the top right hand corner where you have your account options and you select Manage Account, you are not going to find any information here related to language. That's because in order to change the language for Immersity, you have to change the language for your operating system. If you're on PC, in order to do that, what you can do is you can go to the search function at the bottom left-hand corner, and if you just type in language, then you'll see that in your settings, you'll get the language settings option here. And then from there, you can add a language. So if you click on that, then you'll see that you have a variety of languages to choose from. When you have selected one, you can click Next, and then it will show up in your languages here in the drop-down box. So you can just click that and select the new language. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.